Hello, everybody. Welcome back to part 2 of this nacho cheese tuna dip thing. Now that we have, in part 1, we have put everything together. We had thrown it all in the oven. We had set the oven at 425, and we had melted this bad boy down. And now what we're about to do now is we're actually going to cut it and try it, right? Why not? We're going to cut into it. We're going to do that. Yeah, we are. As you can see, I'm cutting into it. It actually looks really good. I was telling my friend as I'm filming this, I'm like, my camera is not doing justice. But look at... Oh no! Oh no! This was a failure! Oh no! Did you guys see that? Oh no! This is welcome to Worlds.Worst.Entertainment. Oh my god! Did you guys see that? Yeah, you guys saw that. That happened on camera. That happened on camera. Holy shit! All right. We're just gonna cut a little bit. Oh my god! This if you guys just had okay. You I don't even know what to say. That was something else, wasn't it? All right, look at that. Would you look at that, guys? Welcome to Worlds.Worst.Entertainment. This is awesome. I'm so glad you guys are rocking here, watching this video, taking your time out of your day during this pandemic, during the terrible year of 2020, and you're willing to rock with a low-life YouTuber like myself who's trying to build something of his life and do something big for once in 2021 and do something new. And the fact that you guys are here rocking with me right now is amazing. It's just absolutely amazing. Whoever watches this, I don't care if it's one of you guys. I don't care if it's 5 of you guys. I don't care if you just put the video on and have it in the background. I appreciate you watching this. This is absolutely amazing. So yeah, what I just opened up was the sour cream. And we're just going to take a glob of that. And we're just going to put that on top. And there you go. We're gonna try this out right here. We're gonna take a stab at this right here. I have a Stop and Shop branded lemon lime tortilla chips. All right. I'm gonna try this out right here on camera. I'm gonna do this right here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do this one and only time, show my face on camera, so, yeah, because I don't like showing my face on camera, so we're going to show my face on camera. How do we do this? How do we, oh no, I just took a screenshot. I didn't want to do that. Oh crap, I don't know how to flip it. Okay guys, you guys might not see my face on camera, I'm so sorry about that. Not trying to false advertise, how do I flip my own camera? I don't want to press the back button. Alright, you know, we're not going to do that. So, unfortunately, you guys can't see my face on camera, so I'm just going to have to do it like this. So, yeah, we're going to give this a shot. We're going to give this a try. And we're going to try to get a little bit of everything on there. A little bit of everything. Look at that. My camera is not doing justice right now. This is so sad. My camera is not doing justice right now. Hopefully the next cooking video I do, I have a better camera. Oh my god. Guys, I wish I was lying to you, but this is not a lie. This is actually really good. I've never made this before. I kind of stole this recipe offline and added like my own stuff to it. But look at this. This is really good. Like, okay, this was a success. Alright. I want to thank you guys for watching once again. Welcome to Worlds.Worst.Entertainment. Nacho, tuna, cheese dip. And, yeah, thank you guys for watching again. As I said before, I really appreciate it. It's the pandemic. It's a bad year for everybody. But, as I say to all of my friends, just take one day to do something positive for yourself. I don't care what that is. I don't care if that means getting up to take a shower. I don't care if that means getting up to brush your teeth. I don't care if that means just getting up to get yourself something to drink because you need it. Do something positive for yourself. Don't let these days drag you down. It's very easy to do that, and don't let it happen. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching again. Check you guys later. Love you. Be safe.